The assignment problem can be used for minimization as well as maximization. So in case of minimization, it was about reducing the cost or time, or minimizing the total time or total cost of while assigning. In maximization, our object is to maximize the revenue or maximize the sales. In that event, how we are going to proceed? It is same, almost the same, except one step which we need to do similar to minimization problem. So in maximization problem, what we need to do is we have to convert that into a minimization problem and solve the problem and get the assignment, and that will maximize our sales or revenue or whatever the purpose or whatever the objective that is there. So in maximization, the first step before solving the minimization problem is to convert the maximization problem into minimization problem. How we are going to do? We have to identify the highest element in the entire table. When a matrix is given, we have to identify the maximum value or highest element in the table, and all the elements of that table have to be subtracted from that particular element. That means that element minus that element will become 0. All the other elements will have some value. And now we have converted the table into minimization. Now we have to proceed as usually. So the step 1, row operation, what we are going to do, subtracting the minimum element or lowest element from each row, from that corresponding row. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Likewise, in first row, lowest element from first row. From second row, lowest element of that second row, subtracting from all the elements of that row. Lowest element of third row from all the elements of third row. Likewise, step 1. Then step 2, as we have done for minimization, like column, first column, second column, third column, identifying minimum. Then we proceed to do the assignment as usual.